In a small village, there was a pig farm located near a forest where the farm was not expected. A fox lived in the forest and often came to steal the pigs.